How many push-ups does it take to actually build muscle? A dozen? 100? Or is the real answer something completely different? See, most people either overdo it chasing huge numbers, or underdo it and never see results. But what if building muscle with push-ups isn't about how many you do, it's about how you do them, and what you do after? Push-ups aren't just a chest exercise. Done right, they light up your shoulders, triceps, abs, and even your glutes. But here's the thing. Growth only happens when you push your body past its comfort zone, not with sloppy reps but with smart, focused effort. So how many push-ups should you be doing? Start with this, test your max. How many controlled, clean push-ups can you hit in a single set? Now follow this simple framework. Under 25 push-ups, aim for 50 to 75 total reps per day, split into 2 or 3 sets. Can knock out 25 to 50? Go for 75 to 150 reps daily, across 3 to 4 sets. Crushing more than 50, shoot for 150 to 250 a day, broken into multiple challenging sets. And don't get comfortable. Each week, increase your reps slightly or reduce your rest time. That's called progressive overload, and it's the key to muscle growth that doesn't stall. But here's the catch: form is everything. Lock in your core like you're bracing for impact. Keep your body straight, head to heels, hands just outside your shoulders, elbows angled at 45 degrees. Slow it down. Control every inch, because 10 perfect reps will always beat 100 garbage ones. Once you've nailed the basics, it's time to level up. Add in these 3 powerful variations. Decline push-ups, to hammer your upper chest and shoulders. Diamond push-ups, for serious triceps engagement. Clapping push-ups, to build explosive strength and athletic power. These aren't just show-off moves, they challenge new muscle fibers and bust through plateaus. But remember, recovery isn't optional. Your muscles don't grow while you're training, they grow after you've trained. That means rest days matter. Alternate heavy push-up sessions with lighter ones, or just train push-ups 3 to 4 days a week and give yourself 48 to 72 hours to recover. And on rest days, don't just sit still, move, walk, stretch, stay active. That's recovery done right. So what's the final answer? Do just enough push-ups to push your limits, not destroy your body. Do them right, with perfect form and the right variations. And most importantly, do them consistently, progressing week by week. You don't need to do 500 push-ups a day to build a strong muscular upper body. You just need a smart plan, real effort, and time. Start now, stick with it, and let your results speak louder than your representative count.